Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and honor to meet you in this beautiful day. Thank you for coming to this presentation. We would like to share about introduction English for tourism. Let me introduce myself and my team. I'm Farida Puri from 3B, and my partner is Lucy Ainunisa, Sayu Salsabila, Zafira Miftah from 3A, and also Agni Marsha and Disa Triandean from 3B. We are from Catering Industry Management. In this presentation, we will discuss about ethnic restaurant. Well, start with a definition of ethnic restaurant, then go on to the atmosphere restaurant, special service, special rules, and menus. So, let's begin with the definition that will be subjected by Lucy. So, please, Lucy.
Okay, thank you, Pak. Thank you, Puri. I will to explain about ethnic restaurant definition. These are specially restaurants, not necessarily fine dining, which serve ethnic delicacies of a region, primarily in a natural setting inspired by the local culture. Any restaurant where the main focus of the menu is dishes that originate in a country or region other than the country in which it resides could be considered in concert and ethnic restaurant. The dishes might not be exactly what the people in choose country actually eat for a variety of reasons. The exact ingredient may be difficult or impossible or just prohibitively expensive to obtain. The restaurant owner may not wish to take a chance that people won't support a place that offers to far out of the normal comfort zone of the patron they expect to attract. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Lucy. Next, atmosphere restaurant that will be subject by Sayu. So, please, Sayu.
Okay, thank you, Puri, for the opportunity. Okay, so here I'm going to explain about the atmosphere restaurant and then why is atmosphere restaurant is so important. Because atmosphere restaurant, yeah, I will explain plus explain first about atmosphere restaurant. Ethnic restaurant have a different atmosphere depending on which country the restaurant is located in. The atmosphere of ethnic restaurants is usually thick with the traditional or local impression of the country. And why the atmosphere of restaurant is important for ethnic restaurant, it's because the atmosphere of restaurant can affect the satisfaction of customer who come, because the ethnic atmosphere of the restaurant will also affect the feeling when eating the food served. And like example, if we go to ethnic restaurant in Japanese, the restaurant will serve us the atmosphere will full with the traditional or local culture. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sayu. Next, special service that will be subject by Zafira. So, please, Zafira.
Thank you, Puri, for your opportunity. Special service ethnic restaurant vary depending on the region and country. For example, Japanese restaurant. Usually, the chefs will cook the food in front of the customer, and the sushi is delivered to the customer using a conveyor belt. And then Sundanese restaurant. Buffet service have been widely applied in Indonesian restaurant, especially Sundanese restaurant, where guests will choose their own food. Then the food is calculated by the cashier, and the processed ones will be brought to their seats. Next. And then French restaurant, partially cooked food in the kitchen will be brought in on a golden trolley and then recooked in front of guests. Usually, the chef will cook and serve it directly to guests so that it feels more special. And last, Padang restaurant. One of the characteristics of Padang restaurant is the tradition of dishes, or also called mini buffets. Dozens of plates filled with various side dishes are served at the dining table, and customers will pay according to the side dishes taken.
All right. Thank you, Zafira. So next, special rules that will be subject by Disa. So please, Disa.
Okay, thank you, Puri. Special rules. First is we can make a reservation. Reservations are usually made by guests to get their favorite desire seat or for a special purpose such as birthdays, meetings, and so on. And second, only order the special menu of certain country. So we can only order a typical menu from that country. If we visit a Japanese restaurant, the menu provided is typical of Japan, starting from appetizers, main courses, desserts, and beverages. And yang third is the presentation system is adapted to the culture of the country of origin. Food is served according to the culture of region or country of origin. For example, is typical Indonesian restaurant. As we know, Indonesian culture is very traditional and unique. Generally, Indonesian restaurants serve food pedestal with banana leaves. And another example is Japanese, Korean, and Chinese restaurant usually serve using chopsticks. Last is enjoy music, entertainment, or home country decoration. Visitors are also served a variety of entertainment when visiting the restaurant. For example, such as music and decoration. Decoration typical of the region or country of origin of the restaurant, so the visitor can feel the real atmosphere more.
Okay, the last one is menus that will be subject by Agni. So please, Agni.
Thank you, Farida. I will explain some menus from ethnic restaurant. First, ramen from Japan. Ramen is traditional Japanese food made from soupy noodle. The hallmark of ramen is the shape of noodles, which are thin and yellow in color. The noodles are then put into a bowl containing gravy made from various types of broth. Then, gula suppe from Germany. Gula suppe is a thick soup filled with beef or pork. This meat is not cut as usual, but it is chopped rather large. Usually, Germans eat this soup with bread. And then, tom yum from Thailand. This food is the type of spicy and sour soup made from fresh ingredients such as lemongrass, lime leaves, galangal, lime juice, fish sauce, and chili powder. Tom yum has two versions. The first use coconut milk, and the second without coconut milk for the clear soup version. However, both of them have a blend of sour, sporty, spicy, and slightly sweet flavors. Types of tom yum also vary depending on the filling. And then lasagna from Italy. Lasagna are white flat pasta noodles, usually baked in the oven. Lasagna contain ragu or meat sauce, bechamel sauce, and cheese, usually mozzarella cheese or Parmigiano Reggiano. Then tteokbokki from South Korea. Tteokbokki is a spicy Korean dish made of cylindrical rice cakes, triangular fish cakes, vegetables, and sweet red chili sauce. The last, burger from United States. Burger is food in the form of round bread that is sliced in half and in the middle filled with a patty which is usually taken from meat. Then vegetables in the form of lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. As a sauce, burgers are given various types of sauce such as mayonnaise, ketchup, chili sauce, and mustard. Some burger variants are also equipped with cheese, pickles, and other ingredients such as sauce and ham. Example of ethnic restaurant in Bandung are Sai Ramen without Japanese culture. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Agni. Our presentation has come to end due to Agni's materials. We hope that this material will add to our knowledge. Sorry for any loss. Thank you very much for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys. Please leave some comment. Bye.